Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video about gold and gold update, right? So my weekly charts, daily charts. So let's get started. Let me show you this weekly chart, gold weekly chart. I started tracking. I'm always tracking this, but the last wave 5, which we are in right now. Okay, so wave 4 ended here to the downside from top all the way here, and I predicted from the top all the way that it's going to drop, and it did. So I said, okay, C4, C or 4, wave 4, wave C ending, wave 4 is finished here. See the question mark? That means that I'm expecting this, that it's going to bounce from here, 1682, and we go up, right? So what happened to this chart? And the next chart I made on the 24th of December, that we start bouncing exactly from there. And so far, we hit this number. This number is very, very important, 1802. It will come into play again later. So we'll see if we will break this level and then test it, right? So this is the level, and then this band here, 19, 12, and 20. If we break this, we go here. And then you have 1916, and then after that, these couple of numbers here, important numbers, and also 11.4 level here, right? So that was the target. So now the next chart was, boom, it went up there. See this, 1802, it broke above it, and then straight went to this level band here, 1920. Now I was saying that here, that's the yellow bands. I said, okay, this yellow mark here, so it from here, or it may go all the way here to 1959 or 1965 or 1972, 78%. And then from there, it's going to drop back to 1802. That was my take on the January 28th. So what happened to this chart? Just keep looking. It's dropping, 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 and dropped. 1802 on the February 24. Right? My chart is still same. That it's going to hit this 1802 and bounce from here and go to the upside. So when it was dropping, I made several short entries, and you see they are all over my videos, gold videos, right? So here, the drop, to me, the drop was about to end. So I said, this is the mark. The blue mark is saying that somewhere here, we're going to be going to the upside. So what happened to this chart is this. Last week, not last week, but on the first, you can see that we already bounced here. The blue the bullish candle. So exactly touching 1802 and then start bouncing. And then today, it is solid bullish candle. Beautiful, big move to the upside. So it started to bounce from like 28, February 28, 27, 28. And then today ended up here, right? Now, what did I do? This is the first trade on the 1st, March 1st. First trade of gold in this week, March 1st. First entry here and close here. Not a big trade, but yeah, something. Then I had several entries here and got knocked out. Some at break even, some made like 10, 20 pip, something like that. Not worth mentioning. But this is the one on the 3rd March from the 40-minute chart. Beautiful entry here. This was the first one going up, and then it says beautiful entry by the book from 1836 to 1855. And this is just the beginning. Move just starting. Okay. Here you can see this, what is this? This gold monthly. You see that we're supposed to go up here. Okay. This is big wave 3 ending here, big wave 4 ending here. And now big wave 5 would be here, but wave 5 will also have 5 subwaves, right? So those are 1, 2, 3, ABC 4, and this is wave 5. So we are actually in the wave 5th of the wave 5th. Okay, that's how it is. I just wanted to share with you guys that, whatever the system you're using, just stay on track, just keep going. Well, it's not going to go in a straight line, obviously, it goes up and down and up and down, right? So just like here, it went up, so you may go and hit 1877 and then drop a little bit and then go up and then this level and then drop here, right? So, in between the days, you will have some days, the bearish days. And then after the retracement, then again, game starts to the upside. Then we will continue taking the longs. All right. So this is just wanted to show, and don't forget to subscribe the my channel, and click the bell icon so that you can get my videos as soon as I upload that. You can get benefit out of it. Okay. And yeah, I also post heads up on my Telegram channel here. My update heads up for the setups, the videos, charts. All the time I'm posting something here to keep update to my subscribers. Okay. So if you want to join, just go and let me see if I have my website. Yes, right here, right? So you can just come here and subscribe as a monthly subscriber, or if you want to join a one-on-one course over the Zoom 10-hour course, very, very good, because you could get to learn every single thing. This is not only this system, but the whole, like Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, trend line, channels, SNL levels, how to take those entries from those levels, all of that. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. By the way, this is my pound index daily chart. This wave 1, 2, and then supposed to, it's probably going to drop. This is my take. Let's see. Right now, this week is all bullish. This day was all bullish after the news, but hopefully it's going to start dropping, and all pound pair will be dropping. So that's how it. I'm making some new charts, all the time. Every weekend, I make new charts for my subscribers and then give it to them. And then I do a webinar on Sunday, and I explain every single thing, that how this chart's supposed to be, what it is, what not, and how it's supposed to work out, and what will have the effect, what kind of effect it will have on the pound pairs and gold and all of that. So next video, I'm going to make the oil. Oil start to bounce again. Also, I made an oil chart a few days ago that is going to go up, and it did very, very nicely. All right, I had a very beautiful trade on that. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. Oh, come on.